So, good evening, one and all present here. So, in this lecture video, I'm just continuing with the subject called as object-oriented programming, and I'm going to discuss certain topics in the unit 5. The topic which I'm going to discuss today is Introduction to IOStreams in Java. So, let me move on to the next slide. Let me see the introduction of IOStreams in Java. What is IOStream? What is the need of IOStream? That too specifically why we are using it in Java programming language, which we are going to see in this topic. So basically, IOStreams are used to read and write data. This you all know. IOStreams, the expansion of IOStream is nothing but input-output streams. IO stands for input and output, and streams, which is nothing but we will say it as a flow of data. And how the data can be represented is it can be represented as bytes or characters. The next is IOStreams in Java. So IOStreams can be characterized into data types, input and output. We are just giving input as bytes or character. We'll move on to the pipeline of IOStream, and the flow of data will be moved with the help of the stream. And with the help of this one, we can read the file, and we can connect with the network. And the output will be, we are writing the file, and a network output will be there. So this is the basic diagrammatic representation of an IOStream, how we are giving bytes and characters as input, and how it is followed through this pipeline, and then how it is, the file has been read and how it is written. What are the types of streams in Java? We have byte streams, character streams, buffered streams, and data streams. What is byte stream? Byte stream is nothing but which can be the one which can be ideally used for handling raw binary data. Binary in the sense it will be in the form of zeros and ones, like images and audio files. Images, if you see, we can mention, if you take a particular image, it can be mentioned as a pixel. So that pixel contains zeros and ones only. So mainly byte stream is used for handling raw binary data. And the next one is character, which one, this stream is suitable for managing text files and ensuring proper encoding and decoding. And the next one is buffered streams. Buffered streams are nothing but which will enhance efficiency by buffering data for faster transfer. Buffered in the sense we are just storing the data for some time, and then we are transferring through the network. And the next one is data stream. So data stream are mainly designed to read and write the primitive data types. So totally we have 4 streams. One is byte, character, buffered, and data stream. Each one functionality differs according to the name. And the next one is, what is byte streams and character streams? We have to choose the right stream for your data type. If it is raw binary data, we are going to choose the first one. And if it is efficient byte transfer, we will choose another one. If we are not doing encoding and decoding, that similar different one will be there. And for character data and for text manipulation, and the usage of these 3 things is character, text manipulation, and encoding in respect. What are the standard input-output streams? Java will provide 3 standard input-output streams accessibly via the class called as java.lang.system class. The first one is system.in, second one is system.out, and third one is system.error. So system.in is nothing but standard input stream for console input. Out is nothing but for output stream for console output. Console output in the sense it's the monitor where your output is displayed, and system.error which will notify the error message. And the next is, what is the hierarchy we are using in IOStreams? First one is the object and next comes the input stream, and next file input stream is there, filter input stream is there, pipe stream is there, byte array input stream. We have buffered input stream, pushback input stream, line number input stream. So these are all the hierarchy mentioned in the IO streams. And what is file handling using IO streams? File handling using input output, which mainly involves how we are treating a file as a continuous sequence of data that can be read from or written to by a program. So what is actually the main role of file operation is reading and writing. So data access and maintenance, that means easy retrieval of data, and reading, we are just accessing the information from the file, and we are just buffering the file for a certain purpose, and we are writing the file to the output. And the next, what are all the questions we can discuss here to solve? Explain the need for IO streams in a Java application which process large amount of data from external source. So differentiate between byte stream and character stream with example. These are all the possible questions. Summary, here you have just seen IO streams which manage input and output operation. Java will provide byte and character stream used widely for file and console operation, and which is essential concept in Java programming. These are all the references. Thank you.